Good morning. Stock futures are pointing to a lower opening on Thursday as the government shutdown continues without any sign of ending, and a day after President Obama warned that Wall Street should be concerned. It's the third day of the so-called shutdown, whereby the federal government failed to pass legislation to fund itself to continue operations. President Obama on Wednesday afternoon said in an interview with CNBC that Wall Street should be concerned that Congress still hasn't come to an agreement to fund the government and raise the debt ceiling, which the Treasury Department expects to hit on October 17th, and when it will no longer pay all its obligations to creditors. As a result, the CME immediately bumped up its margin requirements by 9%. Tesla is down 3% after an analyst downgrade and a car fire. R.W. Baird analyst Ben Callow took the stock down from outperform to neutral and warned of several milestones that could contain execution risk in the company's future. Now, the car fire began after a car in Seattle hit some debris and then caught on fire. And in this video age, it was captured and it's getting lots of play on YouTube. If you haven't seen it, it is pretty amazing to see this poor Model S, engulfed in flames. And keep in mind, 3% isn't really that big of a drop since Tesla stock has jumped over 400% since the beginning of the year. Still, some investors are jittery at the sight of a burning electric car. For its part, Tesla told Chalopnik that the Model S reacted to a collision with a large metal object just as it was supposed to. The car's alert system signaled a problem and instructed the driver to pull over to safety, which he did. Herbalife is up over 1% this morning after hedge fund manager Bill Ackman softened his harsh stance on the company. In a letter to his Pershing Square investors, Ackman said he had modified his Herbalife equity short position worth about $1.5 billion by converting 40% to long-term put options. Herbalife is the focus of a battle between Ackman and Icahn, who has taken a 16% stake. Herbalife has repeatedly denied the allegations that it's a pyramid scheme. And Ackman said that Herbalife's recent share gain had been prompted by speculation that the company will initiate a $2 billion investment-grade bond issue at an interest rate of 4% and then use those proceeds to repurchase stock at $75 a share. Ackman says he's skeptical of that happening. Five Below is seeing a lot of action this morning after Stern AG upgraded the stock to a buy and raised the price target to $56. That's up from $44, saying, while not necessarily a call on near-term trends, Five Below can play both offense, which is same-store sales and door growth, and defense, which is value, that below $5 focus, and with shades of both Costco and Dollar Tree. Valuation has been an obstacle for many, but over a multi-year period, Five has the potential to more than double its EPS. And Stern Agee says few retailers can make that claim. That's what's happening before the opening bell. I'm Deborah Borchardt. Good luck trading.